Another quick review from Ultimate DIY. Today we're going to do a quick review on this Milwaukee Red lithium high output mini router. So if you're looking at the router, it's pretty heavily made. You have some steel in here, a lot of plastic at the top. The battery sits on top here. It feels very balanced. I do like that. When you buy this unit, it's going to come with a small round and a large round. Normally I will usually use the large round a little bit more. But for today's demonstration, I've got the little one on here. It also comes with a dust port that will slip on right here, and you put your little set screw in and you'll hook your hose here, which this does actually get pretty good dust collection. The other thing it's going to come with is a edge guard, and that will go over here on this side just like this, and you'll have a set screw that goes there as well. And then that way you can follow an edge of something as you're routing. Pretty good, pretty nice little attachment. You'll use those quite a bit. So if you look at the unit though, your on and off is right here. And if you notice, you do have lights. You've got dual lights right here, which tend to light up everything nice and bright so that you can see where you're going. And it has a speed adjustment right here from 0 all the way to 6. I do like that. The other things that it does, you have a quick adjustment here for adjusting depth. Pull your lever, just like this, and you have a button right here on the side, right here. Push it down, and you can slide up or down quickly. Now, if you want to micro adjust, you use the dial, and you can micro adjust. And it is marked on here so that you'll know where you're at. So some of the things outside of the micro adjustment is this is a brushless motor, meaning that you're never going to have to replace brushes. Also, this uses the red link system, which gives it corded power, meaning that it's going to be just as fast rounds per minute as a corded tool, which, by the way, this one's going to be 10,000 RPMs all the way to 31,000 RPMs. It also uses the 1/4 inch collet and bit system. If I was going to rate this on a scale of 1 to 5, I would give it a 5. It's very well made. It feels good in your hand. It's easy to move. The dust collection is awesome. I don't think you're going to go wrong with this little mini router. So do yourself a favor and get yourself the M18 Milwaukee router.